Installing your advanced power strip. Advanced power strips provide high-quality surge protection for your computer and electronic equipment. An advanced power strip is the smart way to automatically reduce the wasted electricity that is consumed by your electronics when they are powered off but still plugged in. To install the advanced power strip, simply plug it into an outlet and flip the black switch on the side to On. Plug your TV or PC into the black master outlet. Devices required to be powered all the time, such as a router, cable box, or DVR, should be plugged into a black always-on outlet. They receive power even if the master device is turned off. Remaining accessory devices, such as speakers, printer, or game system, should be plugged into the teal switched outlets. When your master device is on, the devices plugged into the switched outlets are able to power on. When your master device is turned off, those same accessory devices are automatically switched off and stop using power. You don't need to do anything. As easy as that, you are ready to start saving money and energy with your new advanced power strip.